Good morning.
Is this a view or me?
This is a view.
Oh.
And your banana and your coffee. Good morning. Today we have a surprise family trip planned. Surprise! What it actually is, I'm not totally sure because it's like kind of supposed to be for my birthday.
Your surprise.
It's my surprise.
Your surprise.
I don't know what they have planned, but they told me, hey, you might want to bring a GoPro. So here I am recording it. I'm not sure how to preface it or what I'll be recording. I know that apparently I'll have to have it strapped to me somehow, so it's going to have to be something kind of active. Do you know what it is, right, Ken?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of knows what it is. She won't tell me. She's good with surprises and secrets. Hello? She's preoccupied.
Oh, what?
You.
Oh, what? Oh.
What is she eating?
What? She's not eating anything. She has like hair ties in her mouth. I'm recording.
Oh, hi. I thought
Hi.
you were on the phone. I
No.
thought you had your phone. Hi.
No, hi. I don't know.
You have no clue of what's going on?
I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to be a surprise.
It is. Is it so far?
So far, it is a surprise.
You have no clue. Like, you have no guesses. You have no clue. You have no hints.
I mean,
you know.
I have a hint that it's supposed to be pretty active. Like, I'm not going to be able to hold on to a GoPro while
No, you're not.
So I'm going to have to strap it. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how the... I don't use like the headbands or the chest mounts that much.
Bring
So
the headband though.
we'll see. I'm bringing both.
Bring
Yeah,
all,
just
yeah.
and we'll
Okay.
see how I want to set it up when we
Yeah.
get there. But
Yeah.
it should be exciting. It's 8:01. We were planning on leaving
At 8.
At 8.
Pretty good. We're almost
So-
ready. We're almost ready to go. So we're
almost
doing
ready to
pretty
go.
well as far
Yeah,
as...
so we'll be on our way soon, and we'll see what's going on. Like I said, I don't know how to record this because I don't know what's going on, so it'll be interesting. Ah! We're in the car. We've got our dad with us now. We've got our McDonald's because we didn't eat breakfast at home. How is your folded egg, mother?
Delicious. Delicious.
Kenna, you didn't get anything.
I ate at home.
Okay.
You already took a video of that.
A little misresponsible.
You took a video of her eating at home?
Yeah, I still don't know where we're going. I've learned a couple things. I've learned that it is apparently like a more outdoorsy place because I was told to bring like an extra shirt and I need to get this belt on. I had to bring an extra shirt and I had to wear my hiking boots apparently.
And apparently...
Don't forget your water shoes.
Yeah, and then my mom told me to pack water shoes for something. I don't know. So, still a little bit of a mystery. We're not anywhere I'm super familiar with, and I don't have...
McDonald's.
Well, I don't want to dox myself,
What's
but
that?
It means he doesn't want to say.
I don't want to say like where my... because this is going to be posted somewhere.
Just kidding.
Just kidding, haha!
We're not at the
Bleep it out, bleep it out! But I don't really know where we're going either, so... I don't know. We'll see. What do you think, McKenna?
I know.
You do know.
I don't have to think. I know.
He is in the know.
Negative.
Jeep guy.
Negative.
Wait.
Oh, Jeeple.
Did you do your wave?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
You
good.
waved at me.
I know.
What did you get to eat, Zach?
Oh, I got
A breakfast.
a hash brown and pancakes and eggs and some sausage
And a biscuit.
and a biscuit.
And a what? Biscuit?
And a biscuit. I think it looks like 1,200 calories, something like that. We're not worried.
Oh my God.
We're not worried about it though. It's an outdoorsy day. We're gonna be burning calories like crazy.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, I will check
Bring you
back
downstairs
in
when I left.
when I have more information or like I have more of a semblance of what is going on or where we're going.
Okay, so this is...
Well, hold on. Where are we?
We are... Letchworth Park.
Letchworth State Park.
Letchworth State Park. And we are near the Lower Falls Restaurant.
The Lower Falls Restaurant. So this is part one of today.
That's
What?
Trail, that's where we're going?
Trail of Lower Falls. That's where we're going first.
Okay.
Okay.
We're
So
going
that's
to
the first
Trail
part of today,
to
I
Lower
guess, is
Falls.
hiking.
Ooh, it's a little chilly
That's
down
what
here.
that's what the hiking boots are for. Is a little hiking excursion for the first part of today, and then we'll see
The first
what
part.
else happens.
And then it's gonna get exciting from there.
even more exciting. This is so crazy.
Ooh, I'm glad I wore this sweatshirt, man.
We'll hope that the energy carries through the rest of the day. I think we will see if it carries through. I'm looking forward to climbing some stuff. I hurt my hand climbing in the gym the other day, like a tore ligament or something like that. But it's feeling better, so maybe I'll get some like impromptu climbing in.
Oh, you
we'll
are?
see. We'll see. Let's get some nice B-roll, and then we'll see what's planned after that. Okay, so we made it back from our hike. Got to see the lower falls and the middle falls, right?
Yeah.
That's what they were called. And now we are on our way to the, what is the restaurant called? Lower Falls Restaurant. We'll grab some food. Is this part 2 or is part 2?
This is part 2 of 3.
Okay, so this is part 2 of 3 is the restaurant. And we'll see what the very last, the final thing is. I haven't had to strap any GoPros to my body yet, so I'm thinking the next thing will be pretty intense. We'll see. So the family couldn't wait any longer to tell me. We discussed it over lunch. The final and biggest thing that we're doing today is whitewater rafting, which is something I wanted to do, like I've mentioned wanting to do for a while now. So it's pretty exciting. We're trying to figure out the logistics of recording it right now. We're headed back to the car because we have like an hour before things start. And we're gonna try and charge things up. Don't know what to expect really. I've never been whitewater rafting, obviously. So it should be interesting. All right, everybody start talking.
Okay, I think this is
Not all at once.
What?
Well, yeah, it's just...
This is so fun!
All right, Ken, are you ready? Kenna is ready. We are getting all set up. Got our water shoes on. Well, hopefully the GoPro is recording good and it can hear me.
These little gnats are driving me nuts.
Yeah. We'll get some nice POV shots in the waterproof case. Audio is going to be a little rough because it's the waterproof case.
That's
but
alright.
yeah. All right. Get excited. That's it. The picture's done. Yeah, I'm getting in.
Thanks. You want me to hold your water bottle?
Sure, that'd be great.
Wait, if you want, stick it down the front of your back.
Oh, see, we got the expert techniques. There you go, you got it. Should be on the left-hand side over here.
I can't tell. Oh, it's so warm. Right here, look, I'll get your picture. Can I do it, Ken? Nothing. I'll be cold. Yeah, you will be cold. You will be colder than you are now. Right here. Look at me. Look at me.
Your turn, Ken.
All right, who else?
Oh.
Yeah, he's back in. He went twice. Nobody saw that.
You okay?
Slip, Ken.
Really hope I caught that. She was ready. She was like, yeah, picture, picture.
Oh,
My turn.
All right. My foot's right on the edge.
Right on the edge.
Yep.
There you go.
Woo! Hey.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Hey, come on over.
Back. Our last rapid up, a little bit further up, called Whirlpool Rapid. And the story is that there was a video crew on River Right, and they were videotaping the rafts as they came through the rapid. And the raft guides back went decided to have some fun with them. So they told them it was a whirlpool. On the way through the rapid, all the rafts spun. So it looked like they were stuck in the whirlpool. So for tradition, we spin our rafts as we go through the
How are you doing? Doing good? All right.
Anybody who throws up in my boat is down swimming. I don't get paid to do it. Are you ready? All right, go. Whoa! Well, of course, I didn't know about that rock.
How you feeling?
Not bad.
This crowd just picking a stone on either side.
Watch.
And I lost track of it, and I would only be able to get the one on the back side. Front side.
That just about wraps up our whitewater rafting trip down in Letchworth. The river was a little shallow this time around, but that made it okay for us non-seasoned, new to whitewater rafting people. I'll go ahead and apologize once more for the audio. Didn't turn out quite as good as I would have liked with the waterproof case, but I'll just keep that in mind for next time when recording water stuff like this. Not much you can do to avoid it, kind of a necessary evil. Anyways, we forgot to shoot a proper outro as we were getting on the bus and heading back through narrow trails, so I'll say it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.